To be successful in memecoin, you should not wait for 5x or 10x coins. All you need is 50% to 2x and take your profits and follow the compounding strategy, which I have placed in the description below to download. Consistency is the key factor. Keep journaling. Whether it's profit or loss, journal each and every transactions and study those. If you see the top traders, they trade around 200 to 300 transactions every single day, and each trade won't last for more than 15 seconds. They take around 20 to 30% and move on. Just to let you know that even they get rugged. But what we can learn from them is the consistency, unwavering focus, and discipline. This is not a financial advice, always do your own research. Now let's go to the VIP Telegram bot and see the sweet spot signal alerts. So with that being said, let's move to our VIP Telegram bot and let's compare it with the dexscreener app. So let's search with the sweet spot signal. So here are the list of sweet spots which came on 28th of July. So this is one of the coin which is called solvers, which was captured at 10:09 a.m. and the liquidity is stable at 21k market cap, and the difference between the buyers and sellers were around some 44 to 45, and it was dipped at around 48%. The community has been taken over. The bundle analysis is at 6.19%. He has some 33 followers. So let's go to the dexscreener directly. So now if you see, the market cap now is at around 96k. So let's see. All right, so at 10.9 it was at 30, and then it went all the way up to probably around like 2.5x. Now let's move on to the next one, which is meme2. Here we captured the sweet spot alert at 9:32 a.m. and it was dipped to 34k market cap at 64.3% dip, and I can see a huge buyers versus the sellers. Now let's go to the signal here. Because community has been taken over. If you see, he has some 13 followers. The market cap at the moment is 6.1, but if you see, when we captured, it was at 9:32 a.m. So let's see if there is any uptrend after that. Yes, there we go. So after 9:32, it just went all the way up till 47%. Sorry, after 9:32 a.m. it went all the way up to 47k market cap, which is probably around some 30 to 40%. Now let's move on to the next one, which is Rogie. Here the liquidity is stable at 20k market cap, and the buyers versus sellers ratio is around, probably there are around 180 more number of buyers, and it was dipped at around like 50%. And the DEX has been paid and the community has been taken over. And he has some good number of followers. At the moment, when we captured the video, the market cap was around 7.4. After 8:40, let's see whether is that a increase. All right, guys. So there we go. At 8:40, after 8:40, then it just went all the way up till 80k, which is a sure shot of 2x. Now let's move on to the next one, which is WhifOut. So here, if you see, the liquidity is stable at 23k market cap, and there is a strong buy pressure with 462 buyers versus 453 sellers, and it was dipped at around 59%. And here the community has been taken over, and he has a good number of followers, which is good score, and the recycle check score is 1, which is good. Now let's move to the dexscreener. So after 8:31 a.m. then it went all the way up till 74x, which is off around like 2x, which is a good 2x for us. So let's move to the next one, which is called Ditchi. Okay, and the liquidity is stable at 22k market cap, and the strong buy pressure was with 814 buyers with 631 sellers, which is of around 180 more buyers, and it was dipped at around some 29%. So the creative analysis, it has a low risk score, the community has been taken over, and the bundle analysis is at 2.63%. So now let's go to the dexscreener app. Alright guys, so after 8:07 a.m. right, it went all the way up till 140k market cap. There was a little bit of uptrend and downtrend, but then it was a good sign. It is an easy 2x. Now let's move to the next one. So the next one is Yebalo. Here the liquidity is stable at 22k market cap, and you can see there's a strong buy pressure with 1700 buyers where 1639 sellers, and it was dipped at 43%. And if you see the community has been taken over, and the bundle analysis is at 2.19%. He has a good number of Twitter followers, social followers. Now let's move on to the dexscreener app here. Already. So at 7:15 a.m. let's see whether it got an uptrend. Right, at 7:15 a.m. let's see whether was that an uptrend. Alright guys, so there we go. So it was an easy 2x. Alright, now let's move to the next one. Alright, so now let's move to the next one, which is investment. So here, if you see investment, it was the sweet spot signal was captured at around 6:26 a.m. and it has a strong buyer pressure with 351 buyers versus 318 sellers. And the dexes has been paid and the community has been taken over. Yeah, bundle analysis is at 2.73%. He has a pretty good number of followers in the social media too. Let's go to the dexscreener. So let's see what happens after 6:26 a.m. Alright, so if you see here, after 6:26 there is a dip, and then it just went all the way up to probably around some 45k market cap, which is off around, like I would say, another 40 to 50%. Yeah, I would say it was at around like a minimum of 50%, I would say. Now let's move to the next one. The next one is Fatgirls. Here the liquidity is stable at 21k market cap, and the sweet spot signal is at around 6:09 a.m. and it was dipped to 32k market cap, which is a 55% dip, and there were around some 90 plus buyers, more buyers than the sellers. So here if you see, the community has been taken over and the bundle analysis is at 2.25%. He has a good number of social followers. It was, when we checked the recycle check, it was of high score, but let's see. So after 6:09 a.m. like to see whether is that a downtrend or an uptrend. Alright guys, so there we go. So after 6:09 a.m. this went, it took some time, but then it went all the way up till 170k market cap, which is of around a 5x for sure. Let's move to the next one. The next one is Bonko. So the liquidity is stable at around 22k market cap, and if you see the buyers and the sellers, it was already around some 2,618 buyers and 2,603 sellers. So let's see on the other detailed analysis. The community has been taken over and the bundle analysis is at 2.43%. He has only one follower, which is a red flag. All we need is 50% to 2x. So Bonko we got the alert at 5:50 a.m. Alright guys, so after 5:50 a.m. okay, so this is the one, yeah. So it is in downtrend. It would have been in a loss. So here's the overall transactions. So that's it for today, guys. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a great day.